20th of May 1991, the Red Letter Day and a memorable moment for the people of Jorhat and its surrounding areas as Akashvani Jorhat station was established on that very day. In the presence of eminent personalities of Assam, Akashvani Jorhat was commenced through FM band 103.4 MHz at 3 p.m. on that historic day. Honorable Sweety Dingdo was the then station director of Akashvani Jorhat. Akashvani Jorhat station is situated in Garmur, Jorhat, which is to the east of Jorhat city and about 4 kilometers from Jorhat town railway station. Since the beginning, Jorhat station has been emerging through a colorful path. It has been serving to inform, educate and entertain its listeners since its inception, living up to its motto, Bahujana Hitaya, Bahujana Sukhaya. It has been creating opportunities for the artists of Jorhat as well as its three adjoining districts Shivasagar, Golaghat and Majuli. Tribal cultural songs of different tribes like the T tribes and Missing and Sing, Dori have been broadcasting till today. Moreover, through the broadcasting of drama, health-related program, feature, devotional songs, All India Radio Jorhat is always trying to reach the heart of the people. A number of esteemed persons have also been felicitated by Akashvani Jorhat. Akashvani Jorhat station has been celebrating many programs on remarkable days in the office premises, and to mention a few are World Women's Day, Children's Day, World Radio Day, World Soil Day, 150th Gandhi Jayanti and Akashvani Jorhat Station Foundation Day. All of these programs were successfully completed by the cooperation of local artists and people. We feel proud to mention that Akashvani Jorhat station took an initiative on Children's Day, the 14th of November. We can proudly say that Akashvani Jorhat is the first station that had done this unprecedented program. Moreover, to increase public relation, Akashvani Jorhat station had also organized some cultural programs out of the office premises named Cultural Program 2001 and Luco Christi 2014. Agriculture is the backbone of Indian economy. Emphasizing on this criterion, Akashvani Jorhat has been broadcasting Kishanwani programs 6 days in a week. Large number of agriculture experts have been taking part in this program. Through Kishanwani program, Akashvani Jorhat is always trying to reach the farmer and inspire them by holding awareness program. A live broadcast program named Hello Krishikwani has also been broadcasting till today by the participation of resource persons from many agricultural fields. Our station organized Swachhata program, which is under Swachh Bharat Mission, which is followed with full dedication in not only the office campus but also among the students and teachers of local schools. These are few of the positive steps taken by Akashvani Jorhat. During the COVID-19 period, the activities carried out by Akashvani Jorhat were highly commendable. At that time of crisis, the compeers of Akashvani Jorhat reached out to the people to create awareness and increase their mental power and assure the people on how to combat the ongoing pandemic. Besides, their heartfelt inspiring talk on the business and commerce, agriculture, health was broadcasted through spot recording. News programs including political, economical, social and cultural news have been broadcasting through Akashvani Jorhat, which are relayed from the capital station Akashvani Delhi and Akashvani Guwahati. We heartily wish all prosperity and future development of our beloved Akashvani Jorhat station.